Hello friends, welcome back to Ecom Solution 5. So in our last class, we learned what is the monolith and microservice. Now we will talk about what is the architecture of Shopify. So let's start. So then how the Shopify is different from monolith and microservice. So Shopify is the combination of both and it is managed, so you can see the circle. In our last class we talked about the monolith architecture where the things are tightly coupled. For we have shown the example in diagram in a circle. So this is the managed, so this is tightly coupled, so this is we can see the monolith. And secondly, you can see some boxes are outside of the circle, so that those are the loosely coupled, so those are means so that's why we can say Shopify is the combination of monolith and microservice. It is extensible. So what does it mean by extensible? So like a product object or inventory object, we can do our customization on top of the uh, default objects. So that's why we can say it is extensible. We can write focused code. So already the basic codes is already we have got. The basic code means CRUD operation of anything like product, all the basic inventory add or placing order, fulfillment of order, such type of code we have already in Shopify. We don't need to worry. We just need to worry about what uh, extension we need. So write only the focus code. No hosting hassles. So Shopify has given us the hosting. We don't need to go for any extra hosting. No build and maintain core code. So just we talked about. So the basic code, the basic CRUD operation, basic order, basic e-commerce functionality, we don't need to worry about it. The final thing is headless storefront. So what is the headless? We will talk about that in detail. So let's see this diagram now. The first top layer is showing in the architecture the storefront unified with the cart and checkout. So what is basically the storefront? Storefront is where your product is shoppable. Okay, so for example, this website having the products, so I can see the list of products. I can click particular product. I can see the detail of product. I can add it to the cart, and this so that is called the storefront. So now storefront in Shopify, we can create the storefront using hydrogen and liquid. So, what is the liquid, hydrogen, oxygen? We will talk about it in detail in our future lectures. So, this is the basic architecture and unified with cart and checkout. So cart API, checkout platform, we can integrate any third party payment platform. So this is the basic architecture. APIs we received storefront API, back office API. So that is the basic architecture of Shopify. Let's move to the next slide. So what is the developing of on Shopify? So some business have minimalist for development experience or limited budget. So Shopify provide us most of the things there, so they don't need to go anywhere. So like in our neighborhood, there is some garment shop. So that is very small business. If they want to start some e-commerce solution, so easily Shopify provide them everything what they need. But some products are having the advanced requirement, so that's where the headless come. So where the other things comes from the Shopify. So this is in quotation. That means push the limits of out of the box functionality before exploring a custom solution. So, for example, if you are you want some review system, okay, in your store. So before going to start development of review system, try to check it into the uh, Shopify itself that maybe it's giving out of the box feature, means they have already have the features. And I will come back to the previous slide where I missed. So including the Shopify admin, we have one Shopify store also. There we can install the apps, and we have free themes, paid themes. So those also can fulfill our requirement. So this is we talked about the Shopify architecture and few things. So now in the next class we will talk about the what is the developer store and how to create that, and I will give you the proper demo on it. Thank you. See you in the next class.